Hello there. Now you might be noticing I have some apps on my lock screen right here. It's a WhatsApp app and Instagram. How did I put it here? Let me teach you about that. But first, I want to remind you that this method is only applicable, or this feature is only applicable for iOS 16, but specifically iOS 16.1 and above. Okay? So let's get onto it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store right here. Now just type in Rocket Launcher. It's not technically Rocket Launcher is the title of the app, but it's Lock Launcher. So once you're here, please get this one. It's Lock Launcher Screen Widgets, and please make sure you install it and download it properly. How can you know that it's downloaded properly? It's gonna says open right here. Now once we're here, you're gonna have presetted apps that are the app itself chose from you. It's gonna be WhatsApp and Instagram on my end. Now just to enable this one, WhatsApp and Instagram, to put them here, the only simple way is gonna be on top right here. Please make sure this live activities is toggled on. Let me toggle that off and let's check if it's removed. As you can see, it's gone. Let me just toggle back on again and it's back. Technically that's the most bottom line to add bottom line how to add apps on your lock screen. Now let's take a bit step further. Once you chosen the right apps that you want, actually you can choose right here on the add action. Choose any apps you want. Any apps actually, not just apps actually, you can have even shortcuts over here, web shortcuts. Moving on, let me just choose here my Instagram. For example, these are the apps that you chosen. Let's choose Instagram. You can edit it. The icon itself can be edited with lots of features right here. The action itself, universal or something like that. The only limit is your imagination, truly. Now, let me just turn that back on again. Make sure it's turned on. Make sure it's here. Perfect. And that's how you put apps on your lock screen using iOS 16. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.